is Fidan Aliyeva, and today I will talk about will AI impact the future careers of IT and CS students. And this is my personal content, and I will start with the modern world. The modern world, especially technology sector, is changing quickly, and because of artificial intelligence, many IT and CS students, many IT and CS students are worried about the futures of AI and futures of their works because of the AI tools such as ChatGPT, Copilot, and other automated coding systems, because they are becoming advanced. And the common question is whether AI will affect the future of their careers or will replace them. And also AI will strongly affect the careers of their works, but it is more possible it will change their how it is done. And first of all, research shows that AI is mainly designed to automate tasks, not entire jobs. Small problems can be automated by AI, and the research from MIT shows that AI can perform judgment, AI can perform repetitive and vision-related tasks, but this many part of work requires the judgment, creativity, and understanding of contents. So this means that AI will not remove the job opportunities. It will change how these jobs are done. And however, this change also creates challenges for IT and CS students. The major problem is skill mismatch. Since AI can handle coding problems, a lot of students rely too much on AI, and this may result they cannot develop their problem solving skills. And a research made in computer education shows that students who rely too much on AI generated answers, they cannot explain or recreate their works by themselves. And excessive use of AI can weaken their problem-solving skills if students do not actively engage in learning. And there is an experiment in MIT, and the professor Eric Klopfer divided the class into 3 parts, and the first group was allowed to use ChatGPT, the second group was used Metascope LMA, and the third group was allowed to use Google. And he gave a task in Fortran language, which none of them students knew before. And guess what? First group students ChatGPT solved the problem quickest, and the second group who used Metascope LMA finished a little later. But the Google group was struggled with problem because they have to break the problem into smaller parts, and they have to understand it better. And after that, they weren't allowed to use these programs, and they were tested on memory. And ChatGPT group failed the test because they didn't remember anything while solving the problem. But the Metascope LMA was partially succeed because they struggled with problem, but the Google third group who used Google all of the students passed the test because they knew a lot of things about that problem. And another challenge is uncertainty in job market. Generative AI will disrupt the job opportunities, but disruption doesn't mean always job loss. It can also mean the role of jobs can change. And in the graph, we can see that the job opportunities is 30% for IT and CS students, and it is 20% for finance and business students, and it is 15% for healthcare field students. And in these jobs, there is a 23% for automated tasks, but the human required task is 77%, which is very important for jobs. And despite these challenges, AI also creates many opportunities. It creates a lot of jobs, and new career paths can emerge in new areas like software developers, computer information research scientists, database architects, database administrators, and computer occupations. And many of these jobs didn't exist before, and the demand for professionals who know computer fundamentals and AI system is increasing. AI is reshaping IT careers, not rather than reduce its importance. And in addition, studies emphasize the importance of strong foundational knowledge in CS. Experts often compare calculators to AI tools, and calculators may make arithmetic easier, but students will need to understand the math concepts in order to use them properly. In the same way, AI tools can assist with coding, but without a solid understanding of algorithms, data structures, and system designs, they cannot truly benefit from AI tools. And all employers always value the critical thinking, system understanding, adaptability, rather than fast coding skills. And educators suggest that universities should rethink about their teaching methods, because instead of banning AI, they should researchers recommend that we can use AI in a responsible way, and we can use it to improve our learning, encourage creativity, and increase productivity. And and this can also help students prepare for workplaces where working with AI will be normal. In conclusion, artificial intelligence will impact the future career of of IT and CS students. Also, it has outcomes like skill gap, job uncertainty. It has new opportunities like new jobs, and it can have new jobs. And AI also creates new opportunities for students who are prepared, and those who can develop their critical thinking, foundational skills, and stay adaptable. They will benefit from AI, and they can work with it alongside, and they can benefit from its advancements. And thank you for listening.